producer of Girl City. This is a special collab video with Chloe, host of our sister outdoor adventure show, Zhong and Feng. Today, I'm going camping. Chloe is putting herself through a digital detox. No phone, computer, tablet, TV, internet, social media for 5 days. Not just that, she has taken herself on a 30-kilometer solo hike through the Sai Kung country park with a tent and some books. I'm heading out to join her on day 4, but things are not going to plan.
係咪而家全部都冇船去到鹹片？都係冇船去鹹片。
係咪冇㗎？好大浪啊！危險啊！
As Chloe is offline, I have prearranged to meet her on Hunting Beach at 12:30 p.m. Option B is to get a boat to Saiwan Beach and hike in. It's already 3 p.m. I'm hoping she will be waiting. So now I'm in Saiwan Beach, a small pretty lake here. But I'm still feeling very bad and my pants are all wet. And now I need to do half an hour or 45 minutes hiking to go to that beach. Dun-dun. Oh my god. That's the reason why I don't do John and Feng. Numerous studies over recent years have pointed to a wide range of health concerns connected to internet addiction. A 2015 Deloitte study found that almost 60% of all smartphone users check their social feeds within 5 minutes of going to bed and within 30 minutes of waking. Chloe had joined a growing movement to spend time away from her devices, refocusing on offline social connections and reconnecting with nature. For me, it was my first camping trip that relied entirely on me being able to find my offline colleague. You see? The ocean. 我们终于找到了彼此，太不容易了。First thing, cook some food.
煤气太多了。
这怎么弄啊？
你把它火调小一点，不，把气调小一点。
没火了，是不是我们要用风挡着？
哦，对，天哪，好难啊！
真的好难啊！
Maybe relying on Chloe was not so wise after all. Fortunately, some fellow campers came to our aid.
I can't smell gas. Yeah, it's the bottle, yeah.
I lost the gas.
Nothing, yeah, the bottle's empty.
So that's why, right?
Yeah. What are you trying to cook?
Noodles.
Noodles? We can lend you ours if you like. Yeah, similar, yeah.
Oh, thank you.
I'll bring it over.
I can even pay for it.
No, all good.
The first time it worked, right? There was a fire coming from this, but maybe I don't know if I did something wrong. Oh, it's working. Yes. Oh, do you think I put it down?
Oh, it goes the other way.
Ah!
God,
Thank you so much. I'm so stupid.
That's good. So your gas does work. It's just the wrong way.
The most delicious food I have today. Really?
I didn't know it would be so hard.
Yeah, such. And because we made it by ourselves.
Yeah.
Although very, very challenging, but yeah.
And after like one day hiking, it's really nice to have someone that you made by yourself. Recovered from a hike the day before, it was time to sit down with Chloe and find out how the experience was going. How did you feel on your first day of camping?
My first day camping here is definitely so super nervous. There are some other people having their parties, shouting or saying some words to me. Like, because I'm not sure if they're friendly people or and they're saying, "Oh, are you going to sleep this early?" And I feel so worried, and I'm not sure if I should respond to them or not.
As a female, do you feel any inconvenience or some stereotype during your trip?
Yeah, that's true. Because, I carried a very huge bag and obviously I'm walking alone. A lot of people, when I say hi to them, and they will say, "Oh, are you camping?" I said, "Yes." "Are you doing this alone?" "Yes, I'm gonna to do this for 5 days." 5 days, you alone, it's very dangerous, is that really that strange that a girl doing this kind of thing alone? And I indeed saw some other people, like a single man camping alone as well. You will feel, oh, that's kind of normal.
The detox part had actually proved the least of Chloe's worries. She was not missing her gadgets as much as I had predicted, and it was leading to new experience for both her and me. I feel like actually if we have phones, I actually have phones, but if you had phone and we could contact, we won't be so happy when we met each other. Yeah. Actually, I quite feel like when you cannot contact each other through like digital things, it kind of feel like you meet someone, meet your friends accidentally, and that kind of feeling is much more happy than I thought. Yeah. Be sure to check out Chloe's experience over on John and Phone. Like Girl City, it is on Facebook, YouTube, and Bilibili, as well as all the Channel Daily channels. It starts this Monday from 7 p.m.